If you have been dealing with cold feet, tingling in your legs, or even that frustrating pins and needles feeling, this video is for you. Poor circulation in your legs and feet is a common issue. But don't worry, today we are diving into 6 amazing vitamins that can boost your blood flow instantly. Number 1, vitamin C. The collagen booster vitamin C is often celebrated for boosting the immune system. But did you know it also plays a major role in circulation? Vitamin C helps strengthen the walls of your arteries, improve their elasticity. Healthy arteries means better blood flow. When your arteries are strong and flexible, your heart can pump blood more efficiently through your entire body, including your legs and feet. Not only that, but vitamin C also aids in the production of collagen, which supports the integrity of your blood vessels. So if you want better circulation, make sure to add foods rich in vitamin C to your diet. Think oranges, berries, and bell peppers. Number 2, vitamin E, the blood vessel expander. Next up, we have vitamin E, known for its antioxidant properties. Vitamin E can actually help improve circulation by preventing the formation of blood clots. It keeps your blood vessels wide and clear. But expanding your blood vessels, vitamin E ensures that your blood flows smoothly, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your legs and feet. You can find vitamin E in foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and even avocados. So make these a regular part of your diet. Number 3, vitamin D, the circulation regulator. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, plays an essential role in overall health, but it's also important for circulation. Studies have shown that low levels of vitamin D are linked to poor circulation, especially in the lower body. Vitamin D helps regulate blood pressure and prevents inflammation in the blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow to your extremities. Make sure you are getting enough sun exposure or consider vitamin D supplements, especially if you live in areas with less sunlight. Number 4, vitamin K, blood flow balancer. Vitamin K is often overlooked for it's crucial for good circulation. This vitamin helps prevent calcium building in your arteries, which can restrict blood flow. When your arteries are clear and flexible, blood can flow more freely, especially to your legs and feet, reducing any risk of blockages. Dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, and broccoli are packed with vitamin K, so load up your plate with these superfoods. 5. Vitamin B3 Niacin, the circulation powerhouse. Vitamin B3, also known as niacin, is famous for improving blood flow. It works by dilating blood vessels and improve cholesterol levels, both of which directly impact circulation. Niacin not only supports healthy circulation but can also help reduce inflammation in your arteries, which is key for preventing poor blood flow. To boost your niacin levels, incorporate foods like chicken, tuna, and whole grains into your meals. It's an easy way to support blood flow to your legs and feet. Number 6, vitamin B12, the nerve protector. And finally, we have vitamin B12, which is essential for proper nerve function. Poor circulation in the legs and feet can sometimes causes nerve pain or numbness, but B12 can help protect the repair your nerves. B12 helps to create red blood cells, which are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body, including to the legs and feet. If you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, you may need to consider B12 supplements, as it's primarily found in animal products. But don't worry, many plant-based foods are fortified with B12, and there you have it, 6 vitamins that can help boost your leg and foot circulation instantly. Whether you are adding more fruits, veggies, or supplements to your daily routine, these vitamins are your key to better blood flow and overall health. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on improving your health and wellness. If you have any question, comments below. I shall see you next time. God bless you. Thank you for watching.